Hello, it's Bob, here in the Dean's office in the College of Engineering at the University of South Florida. On day 11 of Operation Engineering, how are you doing? And I hope this message finds you and your loved ones, your family and your friends, healthy and safe. So today we're going to take a walk. We're going to go over to the college advising office. We're going to talk to Dr. Mary Goodwin. We'll find out how the students are doing. We'll find out how the advisors are doing. Just get a sense of how things are going. So let's head on over and let's go talk to Dr. Goodwin. Okay, here we are. We're approaching the advising office here in TECO Energy Hall, Engineering Student Services. So Mary, we're here to talk about student advising. How's it going?
The advisors are very busy right now. But you can see from here, you probably can't see from the screen, but this is a screenshot of Lily Clark's calendar, and it's packed.
Good.
You can't really see it, but she's got appointments scheduled every half hour. She's seeing prospective students who are looking at coming here, but she's got a lot of students who have questions about SU grades, getting registered, getting holds removed, those kind of things.
Do you have a lot of questions about graduation?
We have some of those. Okay. Sylvia Martinez is taking care of those, okay. And so a lot of those are going right to her.
Okay.
And all the advisors are working remotely except for, well, they're all working remotely pretty much.
Okay.
Lily comes in once in a while.
So what are the challenges you're finding that the advisors are having?
Well, understanding the policies and the changes, the SU grading, a lot of questions over and over again. Will the S grade count? Should they do it? Should they not? Those kind of questions. So we did set up a website. It's on the Canvas page for all undergraduates. We hope that helps a little bit. We're trying to get them there. But a lot of unknowns. Going to summer school is going to be online, so a lot of questions about that. But just about whether they should stay in a class or drop a class, and withdrawing. A lot of students are still struggling with getting laptops or getting internet connections at home, or with money issues. There's a lot of financial issues. So we have people to send them to, resources.
Good.
But a lot of questions. It's a tough time.
What about the students themselves? Are they seem to be handling this okay? Are they fairly resilient overall? Overall,
I think they're doing pretty well. But there are areas where they're having trouble. They're having financial issues, and so we are getting a lot of requests for problems that they're running into. So there are still a lot of issues.
And there are resources available at USF for students with
right.
food insecurity, with short-term financials.
Right,
and the students
short-term financial. So we've been sending them there. We've got our tutoring up online, so we've got a lot of students still taking advantage of tutoring. So they're all up and running, and it's all online, but hopefully that's going well. We've contacted all the students to let them know about the tutoring. And when they contact our advisors with issues, then we send them over to the undergraduate studies. They have an academic advocacy area for finances and other issues. So
now I'm curious about the summer admits. So you have such a successful program with the cohorts, and such a successful program in the engineering living learning communities. How are we gonna handle that?
Well, we're working on that right now. The orientation program looks like it's going to be online. So we'll use some of the same resources that the faculty are using for video. Canopy, is that what it's called? We'll use that for videotaping our orientation presentations. We'll probably have to pre-register our students, but we will also contact students and make sure the registration is correct and the way it needs to be done. So it'll be a lot more time consuming this summer for orientation. It's time consuming as it is, but now not only will we have to pre-register, we'll have to contact them individually as opposed to having them all in one room where we can go around and help them face to face, which sometimes is a little quicker than over the phone when you don't have all the materials sitting in front of you. So, and then our summer program, we're still processing how we're going to do that, but again, it would be just like how the faculty are doing it now with communication, Teams meetings, videotaped talks, yeah.
So it sounds like engineering is fairly resilient. So, you know, as we sit here and keep our social distancing, as I walk in, I notice that this is a fairly empty office. So you've done a very good job of keeping students and advisors remote. Is that
Yes,
right?
yes, we think everyone's very safe, everyone has gone home and everyone's keeping their distancing, so we think we're hoping we're pretty safe and nobody gets sick, that's our goal.
Good. Anything else, you know, you'd like to share with the faculty, with the staff, on how things are going here?
Well, I mean, we're hanging on like everyone else. There's constantly policy changes, so things are changing by the minute sometimes. So it's been a while. We've struggled for a while to keep up with all the new changes, but we are here to help out, and they can always email us, and we'll get back to them right away. We're all online all the time, so you know, anything they need, just let us know.
Well, Mary, I'm very appreciative of all you've done. I mean, these are new and uncharted waters.
Yeah, it's a tough time.
For the whole university, but certainly I know for advising. So thank you so
Yeah.
much.
Thank
And
you.
just know that we appreciate all that you and your advisors are doing.
All right, thank you.